Aiden, the little boy, and the lost puppy. Narrated by Kitty Story Sprouts. In a cozy neighborhood, a compassionate little boy named Aiden had a deep love for animals. One sunny afternoon, while playing in the park, he stumbled upon a lost and frightened puppy. Determined to help, Aiden embarked on a heartwarming adventure to reunite the puppy with its family. Aiden asked around, put up posters, and followed leads to find clues about the puppy's owner. Along his journey, Aiden encountered kind-hearted individuals who offered support and shared their own stories of lost pets and joyful reunions. He learned the importance of empathy, kindness, and perseverance. As Aiden followed the trail of clues, he formed a special bond with the puppy. They became inseparable friends, comforting each other through difficult moments. Through acts of kindness and determination, Aiden spread awareness about the lost puppy, and the community rallied together to help in the search. Finally, after days of searching, Aiden discovered the puppy's family. Tears of joy filled their eyes as they witnessed the happy reunion between the puppy and its grateful owners. The neighborhood celebrated Aiden's kindness and his unwavering dedication to helping others. The moral of the story is that empathy, kindness, and perseverance can lead to heartwarming acts of compassion and bring communities together in times of need.